213 species in genus Calamagrostis. May 21st, Calamagrostis, Calamagrostis, the feather reed grass, represents May 21st. This grass symbolizes elegance and resilience. You are poised and graceful, even under pressure. Like its swaying reeds, you adapt effortlessly to changing winds. Calamagrostis, a deep dive with Ferb Vu. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been drawn to the subtle beauty and understated elegance of grasses. They bring a unique texture and movement to any landscape, and among my favorites is the genus Calamagrostis. These versatile plants, commonly known as reed grasses or small weeds, offer a wide array of forms and colors, making them a fantastic addition to any garden. Understanding Calamagrostis. Calamagrostis is a large genus belonging to the Poaceae family, boasting over 200 species. They are primarily found in temperate regions across the globe, often thriving in diverse habitats, from meadows and forest edges to wetlands and mountainous areas. This adaptability is a testament to their hardiness and resilience. One of the defining characteristics of Calamagrostis is their growth habit. They typically form dense clumps of slender, upright stems adorned with narrow leaves. In summer, these clumps erupt with feathery plumes of flowers, ranging in color from pale green to golden brown. These inflorescences persist well into winter, providing structural interest and a touch of warmth to the otherwise dormant landscape. Notable Calamagrostis species. The diversity within the Calamagrostis genus is truly remarkable. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I appreciate Calamagrostis. My fascination with Calamagrostis stems from several factors. First and foremost, I admire their resilience and adaptability. They can tolerate a wide range of growing conditions, from full sun to partial shade, and from moist to well-drained soils. This makes them a low-maintenance choice for busy gardeners like myself. Secondly, I appreciate their aesthetic versatility. Calamagrostis can be incorporated into various garden styles, from formal to informal. They can be used as striking focal points, elegant accents in mixed borders, or even as screens and hedges. Their vertical lines and airy texture provide a beautiful contrast to other plant forms, adding depth and complexity to the landscape. Finally, I value their ecological contributions. Calamagrostis provides habitat and food sources for various wildlife, including birds and insects. Their deep root systems help to stabilize the soil and prevent erosion. Moreover, many species are native to their respective regions, contributing to the biodiversity and ecological balance of the local environment. Cultivating Calamagrostis. Growing Calamagrostis is a relatively straightforward process. Most species prefer a sunny location with well-drained soil. However, some, like Calamagrostis brachytrica, tolerate partial shade and moist conditions. Once established, they are fairly drought-tolerant and require minimal watering. In late winter or early spring, it's beneficial to cut back the old foliage to make way for new growth. This helps to maintain the plant's appearance and prevent it from becoming too unkempt. Dividing mature clumps every few years can help to maintain their vigor and prevent overcrowding. Conclusion. Calamagrostis is a truly remarkable genus that deserves a prominent place in any garden. Their beauty, resilience, and ecological value make them an invaluable asset to both the gardener and the environment. Whether you're looking for a striking specimen plant, a graceful addition to a mixed border, or a sustainable choice for your landscape, Calamagrostis has something to offer. I encourage you to explore the diversity of this genus and discover the many ways it can enhance your own garden.